Tired of scrubbing greasy messes? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, traditional cleaning can be a chore. Harsh chemicals, endless scrubbing, and the feeling like you're never truly reaching all the gunk. But what if there was a way to clean that's powerful, chemical-free, and gets deep down dirt? Enter the steam cleaner, high-temperature sterilization, air conditioning, kitchen, hood, home, or car steaming cleaner. This long name can be used humorously here. Yes, that's a mouthful, but trust me, the results speak for themselves. This bad boy uses superheated steam to kill germs, dust mites, and bacteria, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. It also comes with a variety of attachments, so you can tackle tough grime on everything from your kitchen hood to your car interior. There are many benefits to using a steam cleaner. Here are a few of the most important. Chemical-free cleaning. Steam cleaners use only water, so they're a safe and eco-friendly way to clean your home. Versatile. This particular steamer can be used on a variety of surfaces, making it a great all-in-one cleaning tool. Deep cleaning. The high-pressure steam can remove tough dirt, grime, and grease that other cleaning methods might miss. Thousands of people are already ditching harsh chemicals and saving time with this steam cleaner. Click the link in the description below to see what the buzz is about and grab yours at a discounted price. Link is below in description. Thanks for watching. If you've used a steam cleaner, let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.